name's Smokey, how are you? I really like to sit and watch and see just what you do. I'm not allowed to come out there, my mom thinks I'll go nutty. But I just really want to meet you, I think maybe we'd be buddies. I'd love to play with you sometimes, I promise I won't hurt you. I'm just a big baby, I just wanna have some fun. Let's play together, I'll be gentle with your feathers. I won't bite you, I won't claw you. It was love at first sight when I saw you. Let's have some fun. Birdie and me, fun as can be.